Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about cybersecurity stocks of the cloud era, Zscaler, ticker symbol ZS. In a world moving rapidly toward remote work, hybrid infrastructure, and zero-trust security models, Zscaler has positioned itself at the heart of that transition. But here in 2025, is the stock still a solid buy, or are expectations already baked in? Stick around as we break down Zscaler's business, financials, competitive landscape, and long-term outlook. And if you love stock market deep dives like this one, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode. Let's get into it. Segment 1. What does Zscaler actually do? Zscaler was founded in 2007 and has become a global leader in zero-trust, cloud-native security. Instead of protecting traditional on-premise networks with firewalls and VPNs, Zscaler's model is built for the cloud-first era, where apps live in the cloud, and users connect from anywhere. Their two core products are ZIA, Zscaler Internet Access. This acts like a secure gateway, scanning and filtering all internet-bound traffic to block threats and enforce policies. ZPA, Zscaler Private Access. This enables secure access to internal apps without ever exposing them to the public internet, a key element of zero trust. In short, Zscaler doesn't secure your network perimeter, it becomes your network, securely connecting users and devices to apps, no matter where they live. Segment 2. 2025 Financials and Performance. Let's talk numbers. As of mid-2025, Zscaler is reporting annual revenue north of $1 billion, with year-over-year growth of around 27%. That's impressive given the size of the company and its maturing customer base. Their customer count is growing, especially among large global enterprises and federal agencies, which are accelerating their adoption of zero-trust frameworks. Gross margins remain strong, around 77%, thanks to their cloud-based delivery model. And while Zscaler continues to invest heavily in R&D and sales, operating margins are showing signs of gradual improvement. Importantly, net retention rates remain above 125%, meaning existing customers are spending more over time, often by adding new services or upgrading tiers. Segment 3. What makes Zscaler unique? Zscaler's cloud-native architecture gives it several key advantages. Scalability. Unlike legacy security vendors, Zscaler doesn't rely on physical appliances. It can scale globally with fewer constraints. Zero-trust leadership. Zscaler has been a vocal pioneer of the zero-trust security model, which has now become the gold standard in both public and private sectors. Vendor consolidation. As CISOs look to simplify their security stack, Zscaler's unified platform, combining access, firewall, DLP, and more, becomes more attractive. Strong retention. With best-in-class net retention, Zscaler benefits from a land and expand model, where new customers gradually adopt more of the platform. Segment 4. Risks and headwinds. But let's be real, Zscaler isn't without risks. Small diamond valuation. ZS stock trades at a premium, with a price-to-sales ratio north of 15x. Investors are expecting high growth and flawless execution. Small diamond competition. Giants like Palo Alto Networks, Microsoft, and Cisco are moving aggressively into cloud-delivered security. Zscaler's single-focus model may be at risk if clients opt for full-stack solutions elsewhere. Small diamond spending cycles. In a tighter macro environment, IT departments might slow down purchases, particularly large zero-trust transformations that require time and consulting. Small diamond operational costs. Zscaler continues to invest heavily in growth, which has limited its profitability relative to peers like CrowdStrike. Segment 5. 2025 Outlook and Beyond. The long-term story remains strong. With government mandates around zero-trust architecture, and the continued migration of applications to the cloud, Zscaler stands to benefit from massive tailwinds. Market research firms forecast the cloud security market to exceed $80 billion by 2027, and Zscaler is carving out a sizable share, especially in areas like zero-trust network access, ZTNA, secure web gateways, cloud firewall services. Add in partnerships with hyperscalers like AWS and Microsoft Azure, and Zscaler could see a second wave of growth through embedded integrations and co-selling. Segment 6. Buy, hold, or wait. So, what's the verdict on Zscaler in 2025? Here's the breakdown. Checkmark buy, hold if. You want exposure to zero trust as a long-term cybersecurity trend. You believe in the cloud-native architecture model over legacy firewalls. You're looking for a high-growth, high-retention SaaS play in the security space. Prohibited wait or watch if. You're concerned about valuation multiples and prefer discounted growth. You're cautious about rising competition and vendor consolidation. You want to see stronger operational profitability before jumping in. Bottom line, Zscaler is a high-conviction stock for long-term tech investors, but the current price reflects a lot of optimism. If you're patient, a market dip could provide a much more attractive entry point. That's your full breakdown of Zscaler, ZS, in 2025. Are you holding ZS stock? Thinking of buying more? Or waiting for a better price? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your strategy. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss our weekly stock deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.